So you can see here guys, I have exactly given you SPX analysis. Okay guys, somewhere here only I have given you can see here SL will be upside at this blue point, and you can go for short. You can see here we have got 1:6. After that we have continued that trade and we have got 1:9 risk to reward in Dow Jones. You can see that our analysis is almost so much accurate. You can go and check out. Also, I have explained this video also. You can check out my Telegram channel also, the AIM Trader guys. Go and join there also. So yesterday's analysis, we can see here guys, what happened is that yesterday on Tuesday, you can see here I have told you if it consolidate and goes upside, so you can till here you can reach. Exactly what happened, slightly gap down open, goes upside, exactly taken support what we have expected, exactly taken support. Our first target reach, second target reach, third, fourth. That's why I have told you go and check out my videos, previous video. There are so much learning. That's why I have told you if you have just shifted this line, then only exactly taken support and you have got a big momentum. That's why I have told you also guys. And in Dow Jones also I have given you trade, and you have hope you have got that trade on Monday, and you have made us such a good money. And also it has been taken here also support, you can see here exactly. So that's why I have told you guys. So we can see the analysis of NASDAQ. In NASDAQ also I have told you here only consolidate open. So big gap up open. Then I have not traded in this. I have told you in Dow Jones exactly that happens. You can see here also guys exactly what happened. Slightly gap down. After that bull run came, taken exactly support where we have discussed. After that up till where we have discussed, there only slightly guys at the pin bar. You can see here first target reached, second target reached, third target reached. After that it became volatile, came downside, volatile, and slow and steadily goes upside. So hope you got this NASDAQ also trade. Very nice trade you have traded. In Dow Jones also you have got very nice trade on Monday also, Tuesday also, and NASDAQ also you have got very nice trade in Tuesday also guys. Hope you can getting it what I am telling you. Okay guys, so here also on Monday what I have given 1:9 risk to reward, you can see here exactly that happens. So on Tuesday also I will just shift this. Okay guys, you can see here what happened is that it has taken resistance, boom, one-sided momentum came, but after that it reversible from here only. Why is that? Because I have always told you that previous day lows are very important. They have tested, boom, one-sided momentum. Okay guys, that's why in any chart, go and check out in previous whatever lows are there, they can act as support in upside momentum, and in from downside momentum it will come, then it will act as a resistance. So you think that why I have not taken somewhere here? This is unexpected move guys. Unexpected move has been came. After that it retraced. This is the our area, this is our arena. Once again I will tell you, this is the our arena. What we have analysis, boom, one-sided momentum. Why we have to capture this? When we have no conviction and bigger stop loss, when we have buy up buy here only, see your future somewhere here only, and we can kept our SL at this point, and you can see that one-sided momentum. If I buy somewhere here, I have to keep my SL at this point, so my SL will be very big and my risk to reward is very low. But here we have got very nice risk to reward. So that's why I have told you guys, please go and check out Monday analysis also. I have not done any editing. Hope you can getting the all logics guys here also. What I have told you exactly in Tesla, it has Monday only consolidate happen because one of the big gap up open. After that you can see here exactly taken here only support. I have told you support taken. You can see that first up till here only, because yesterday consolidation happened in Tesla. Right now is very big momentum has been coming. You can check out analysis. I am doing analysis. This is the previous day what has been happened. I will doing that analysis. So in Microsoft also what happened? A gap up open, not sustained, came downside, taken a swing. After that came downside first time, second time, third time. 3 times tested this area guys. 3 times came downside, once again here came upside. After that it came once again upside momentum, boom, one-sided momentum, guys. Okay, guys, so we can see Apple stock also. I have told you what is that. It will consolidate if this will broke. It doesn't broke. You can see that gap up open slightly goes on consolidate. Here also came no bull run. Okay, guys, here buyer are so much dominant. After that, here also buyer are so much dominated. Okay, guys, after here only this green candle has been made, and you can see that one-sided momentum has been we have got, guys. Okay, guys, these are the logic for index and stocks. We can see for today where the Wednesday market can behave in index and stocks. Okay, guys, how you gonna trade them? Hi, guys, so we can see the analysis of tomorrow, how you gonna trade in index and stocks. You can see here in Dow Jones exactly this area will act as a resistance. Why is that? I will tell you the logic. Because first time has been buy taken it, sellers came down, this is the defending unless swing is happened, here also swing and here also. Whenever this swing is crossed, then upside momentum has been given. If this swing is broken, then downside momentum. Okay, guys, that's why here you can see that seller are so much dominant. However, this is crossed, you can see that big two red candles. Okay, guys, this is the dominance of sellers. You have to see the what seller is getting profit, what buyer is getting profit. So that's why you have to see here, guys. After that only it came downside. So this area will very crucial for us, and this will exactly act as resistance for us, guys. So you have to patiently and see when it will reversible or what. Okay, guys, so if it will take somewhere here only resistance, then you can expect your as usual whatever target you can go. This is the two target. If you want more also, if you are getting the risk to reward is best, then you can go for further also. Okay, guys, if open a gap up or somewhere here only it came taken support, then you can expect the slowly momentum, not bigger momentum, because I am not expecting bigger momentum, frankly, guys, because this first day also it made a very nice momentum, second day also made a very nice momentum in Monday and Tuesday. So Wednesday I think that consolidation happens, so it will be the very nice thing. So it may be happen or not, it's not up to you us, but if you think that price action is meeting and becoming a big move, so you can go for that. Otherwise you can see the option selling is best for Wednesday. I think so, it's up till you, guys. Okay, guys, this will be the one of the major defending area, guys. So this will be the always there, but new area is our this area. Okay, guys, this area is our act as resistance. Okay, guys, because here only seller has been came, but this is not important level for us. Just I will remove it for you. So I wanted to check that if you cannot blindly trust like this. Okay, guys, this will be the area where seller are so much dominant. Okay, guys, so this area will be our one of the major resistance area. I will just shift downside just a second, guys, so you can get perfect level. Okay, guys, this is the perfect level right now. So closing is very important, but still if it will goes up till here and taking resistance, then you can expect your first second target, and from here only it may be reversible, because this is the defending areas of buyer, because here our sellers are coming. Now buyer will defend this area. Okay, this area will defend by buyers, so you have to see consciously. If this broke, then you can go for further also, whatever you can take. Okay, guys, I'm thinking that today consolidation happened, so much nice rally will be taken out tomorrow. So that's why if you think that, so you can go for option selling also, it will be the good only. So this will be the first target, second target, and further you can go for it. Okay, guys, today no target, because I am thinking that consolidation happened, so that's why I'm telling you no target, bigger targets, guys. Hope you'll getting the knowledge and getting the logic, guys. Okay, guys, right now we can see the next is SPX. Okay, guys, SPX 500. Okay, guys, this is the best place where it has been taken right now. So I will just do is one thing. This will act as, just a second, guys. Okay, act as major resistance area. Okay, guys, why is that? Because seller are so much dominant from here only. Okay, guys, So it has to open here only, slightly open, or gap here somewhere, gap down slightly, then it will maybe take resistance, then your first target will be a second target, and you can go for further also in price action. But sideways market I am expecting, so please conscious about it. If it will break, then it will take support or meeting a price action. Okay guys, then you can go for upper momentum also, but consolidation happening I am thinking, and I am seeing that thing. So you can see the option selling is best for tomorrow, Wednesday. So you can think and trade according to your risk and your management. Okay guys, whatever your suitability is, that if you are happy with option buying, you can do option buying, but in option selling you are good, so please do option selling, because consolidation option buyers are totally gonna in loss, but in option selling in sideways market, it gonna gives you very big momentum also. In one-sided momentum also, if you know that momentum has been happening in upside momentum, at that time also option seller get very nice money. So if you think that today also consolidation happened, please do your analysis also. If you think that okay, it's correct, then only take trade guys, don't blindly follow me. So I'm thinking that consolidation will be happen, so please slightly conscious. If this will break, then one-sided momentum came in upside momentum, so you can go for that. Otherwise it will gives us fake breakout, and buyer will trap here, came downside and consolidate and close somewhere here only. Okay guys, so like that also happened. I will just show you. It will breaks. Okay guys, consolidate here only, came downside, after that somewhere here only it consolidate and closes somewhere here only. So this will also happen, so be conscious about it. Now we can see the some of the stocks. Okay guys, Tesla is at a good position guys, very nice position what I am saying right now. Okay guys, usually I don't trade like this, but today what I am saying, this is the big momentum. First time test, second time test, third time test, coming downside. Okay guys, if some news has been came, then we don't know, otherwise it gonna definitely boom the market. Okay guys, don't think that it will give us exactly trade, but see it, one thing is that it doesn't has to open gap up guys. If it open gap up, then our trade will be not valid, but open slightly gap up, take support, then you can go easily first, second, third, and even bigger target too guys. Okay guys, hope you getting it guys. Okay guys, if in downside also we can discuss, it's very low probability guys that it will once again take resistance and came downside. Okay guys, very low probability, but we have to see that if it will break, but no gap up has been happened. If happen also, it has to take here only support. If it has taken support, then you can see the bigger momentum in Tesla guys. Please do in watch list guys. Okay guys, we can see the Microsoft. In Microsoft also there is just a second guys, I am seeing one trend line, so just we can confirm it by this. Okay guys, this is the trend line. If it will broke, then you can expect the bigger momentum guys. That's it. Our first target will be here guys, second target will be here, third target. Okay guys, if it will break, okay guys, this is the one of the buyer defending area will be this is the buyer defending area. Okay guys, if it will broke upside, then you can surely go for upside momentum. If it will came downside, you can expect the take resistance, then our first, second, that's it. Three target will be here only. Okay guys, we can see for Apple too guys. In Apple also I have told you this is the trend line. I will just remove it and create new one, because okay, just stretch it out. Okay, so something just like this. Okay guys, so it's not a song guys, just something like this. It's a trend line, and here this channel pattern I am seeing just. Okay guys, so like this channel pattern we can say. So if once again take resistance, then you can expect your first target, second target, and third target guys. Okay guys, so in upside momentum also we can discuss. If this will one of the major thing is that just a second guys, I will show you properly. This is the one of the major resistance area. So if it will break, it can be gives one-sided momentum in upside also. So you have to consciously trade guys. This will be the first target, second target, and you can go for third target. In even bigger momentum also gives us, but you have to conscious about it, because this is the channel pattern what I'm seeing. If this is broken, then you can go for it, but be conscious and trade in Tesla also. That is very good, but see that don't has to open a gap up. Okay guys, if open gap up, then it has to came downside and take support, then you can go for it and gives us very big momentum, and no news has to affect market, then our analysis will be very nice. If that happen, go and join my Telegram channel. I will update the levels, update the things, so you can get the ideas and you can trade them in index and stocks, and you can make a good money guys. You can see that I have done on Monday analysis only. Tuesday I have posted you not posted you anything, but Monday only I have given you, in the Dow Jones trade that is boomed. 1:9 risk to reward we have got, 1:6 we have got, we have carried forward, 1:9 we have got. After that Tuesday we have not done any analysis but our previous analysis only the boom. You can go and check out that too guys. In Monday also I have uploaded a video, go and check out if I have not done any editing. Hope you like this video. If you have any queries, please comment me down guys. I will frankly tell you guys, I will explain you, and I will give you my level best guys. Okay guys, if you like this video guys, thank you for watching.